Hi, good morning to all. This is your Nagur Sheikh from Indian Paramilitary. Today, I would like to show the correct posture of sleeping. Firstly, we should complete our dinner 3 hours before go to sleep. In these positions, first one, turn your body to left like this. Put a pillow under your head like this. Here, you can fold your legs like this is the correct position because of in this posture you can observe our heart and foot bag are in rest, which are in left part of the body. In this posture, one more thing is there. When we sleep in this left posture, we can observe that our right nostril is activate. Right nostril is activated. When we inhale from right nostril, it gives the heat to our body, which is very helpful to digest the food and produce the body to get sound sleep in this posture. Another one is in, in this posture, one thing is there. If you are suffering from back pain in this posture, you should put a pillow between the legs like this. Okay. Another one is balasana like this. Put your hands like this. Generally, we observe this posture in our children's. Next one, same posture, balasana, can be done from right side like this. If you are in empty stomach and you are tired, feeling depressed, you can also sleep in this posture, right balasana. Another one is straight posture. Here, if you are suffering from back pain or sciatica pain, you can sleep in this posture like savasana. Here, you can observe both legs and both hands and total body should be in rest. Okay, these are the best sleeping postures to get sound sleep. Thank you.